Hey crafty people, I have something new for you. I've never done anything like this before, and I started creating this what do you call it, Alice in Wonderland journal. And I was like, I want to create this, but as it turns out, I just don't know the story. And I'm not interested in learning the story, so I decided I would put together a kit. And I already have all the pages inside, so that's already put together for you. And you can just add your own stuff. So that's one signature. And if you hear something in the background, it is my dog snoring, so I apologize for that. I might create some Alice in Wonderland cards, but I just can't see myself creating this journal. So the signatures are sewn in, but then I made this gusset that kind of connects them. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures. So let me finish flipping through. I think this kit is from Polka Art Studio. I can't remember 100%. I'm pretty sure. Okay. So, it's got a chipboard cover. It's got a chipboard binding. I did sew in all the signatures, and then I did start to embellish kind of the outside. So, there is the base. I've got some trim that I'm including. With it, so you can use that however you wish. And then there's that. So that's the trim. I've got some flowers. These are flowers I've created. I might have some more that are like this in different colors. If I do, I'll add those in. Some corrugated board. All right, hold on. So I have these, I don't know what you call it. They're like faux metal tags. A couple of bottles, since I think there's a bottle of something involved with Alice in Wonderland. So there's three of these. Oh, 4. And then I have 4 of these. 3 glassine bags, 2 pink envelopes, and 2 blue envelopes, 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these little paper clips that have a heart. All right, now let's get into some kind of cool stuff. And I'm gonna start by doing this. Oop. So all these charms are going to be included. So there's the dress, the bunny, cards, a teapot, a set of teacups. This, I don't know what that guy is. There's also this one. Some kind of card playing dudes. The bunny, another bunny, a bunny clock. Okay, so all of those charms. And I'm also including these little I don't know what you call these, the connectors for the charms. So those are gonna be included. I have, I don't know how many, a handful of these hearts that I'm including. And then there are all the cut-aparts that I've already cut them, even the little small ones. So all of these I fussy cut in preparation for this project. And yeah, just didn't get into it. Tickets. But yeah, I can actually see creating some cards with this. So there's more of those little pull tabs. There's an foldable envelope. There's this foldable envelope. Another one. Just more tags. There's 4 of those. There's this little file folder. There's 1, 2, 3. There's this side pocket. And this is a foldable pocket. Another. I don't know. That doesn't look like it goes in it, but all of this stuff is. And then here would be some pockets you would glue in. There's kind of like a side pocket. I imagined this on the cover, but it's up to you. Here's a bigger foldable file folder. And then there's 2 sheets of that and a sheet of that. So that's all of that stuff. So that's it. So I'm going to sell this entire kit for $99.99. You know, you got the base created for you. You got embellishments. You can add more embellishments. But, yeah. So I'm going to offer it to you guys first. If I list it on Etsy, it's going to be, you know what? I'll offer it to you guys for $89.99. And if I list this on Etsy, it'll probably be $120. Okay, so don't contact me through Etsy if you're interested in this. Contact me through my email in the description box down below the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.